slowing it down, centering ourselves with an oolong tea moment. Oolong tea is known for supporting digestion, helping your body break things down more gently and more efficiently. It's rich in antioxidants, which support overall wellness and that natural glow from within. It also gives you a soft, balanced energy. Not too strong, not too light, just enough to keep you focused and centered. Oolong sits right between green and black tea, so you get the best of both worlds here. Light, but still grounding. This is a beautiful tea for mid-mornings, early afternoon, or even after a meal. When you just want to reset, refocus, and feel a little more like yourself. You can enjoy it plain or add a little honey, maybe a touch of lemon. And what I love most, you can steep these same leaves more than once. As you saw, I added more water to the leaves so I can steep a second pot. So 1 cup turns into a whole experience. Yes, simple, balanced, wellness in a cup. I absolutely love it. A little honey, it's so good by itself. A lot of the times, I could put stevia or honey or whatever, but I like to drink my teas straight up most of the times. It is simple, balanced, wellness in a cup. And I absolutely love it. It is so good, like literally. It is so delicious. If you've been looking for a way to slow down, this is a beautiful place to start. Just a simple cup, a quiet moment, and a little intention. It can be this soft. Yes. That is so good. So good. Wellness in a cup. I'll see you next time.